want to be in the video?
Sorry?
You want to be in the video?
Now?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Now you can find yourself.
Yeah, great. Look at the scenery.
How you doing, Alice?
Oh. Things have been better, dude. Things have been better.
Ready for a hike?
Yeah, do my best.
Let's do some hiking. Yeah.
Wait. That's a better backdrop. Good morning. We are all ready to hike now. Alice and Kai are feeling a bit better, and it's a bit of a shorter hike today. Just 4 hours of walking through the mountains. So I think in the next 10 minutes we're all going to leave here. It's about 9 AM now, and we're going to get walking as soon as we can. So let's get walking. So far, the weather is so much clearer than when we were hiking 2 days ago. It's just awesome walking along this giant mountain right next to me. It's awesome. Check it out. There's loads of white chickens. I wonder how close I can get to them before they go. Look at these guys. Hello. Thank you for making an appearance. What are they? Arctic chickens.
I just said that, but sure, yeah.
Well, I don't know. Let me know what they are. They look like albino chickens. Even Mr. Mountain Man here, Scott, who once spent 90 days in the wilderness of Patagonia with nothing but the sound of a whisper to help him keep going.
We had a whisper.
Doesn't know what they are. So if you let me know what they are in the comments below, Scott will say hi.
Hi. Oh no, not yet. Say it below.
Say it below. Everything about this morning so far is epic. The scenery, the goats, the weather, the company. I don't want to get too emotional, but this is just awesome. I've just caught up. Kai and Alice were the ones that were sick, but they've been storming ahead. So how you doing? You alright?
Feeling a little bit crazy. But also, I don't really like heights that much, so when I look down there, I'm like,
You're doing well so far. Liz is also vlogging today. They're taking a slightly slower route, but check it out. There they are.
Hi.
Say hi to Scott.
That was graceful again.
Look at her. Teacake on the edge of the world. Just a quick reminder that I've been walking next to this the whole way here. How you doing?
I was just saying I just had a rush of vomit for a second there. Thought I was going to pop.
Alright, well, we're almost in this village. Well, that's windy, but if you can hear me, we're almost in a village where we're going to stop and reassess if Alice and Kai are okay to carry on. That's Kai's camera in there. That's going to be an awesome shot.
Go watch that.
I'm completely stealing a bit of that. So I was just saying to Kai a minute ago how just amazing it is that we're here. I never would have imagined being able to come to Shangri-La, come to the mountains of China. I thought that was something that was reserved for people with a lot of money before I started doing all of this. And I never even managed to think about it or imagined it a year ago. But somehow, just by opening myself up to new experiences, we're here. We spent next to nothing and we're here, walking through the mountains of China. Well, Michael Palin was here. Well, Scott and Liz are here. Kai's in the toilet. And we're not actually sure where Ferdinand and Alice are. I think they're further ahead, but we're going to stop here and get some tea or something anyway, and then carry on. Damn. It's a pretty epic toilet. I'm almost at Tina's place. I'm gonna wait at Tina's place for you, and then we can go together and find Walnut Village. So Ferdinand's almost at Tina's place, so we're gonna go to Tina's place and meet him and then carry on and see if we can find Walnut Village. Weed just grows wild everywhere here. Wild marijuana plants. And I think this is the first time I'm about to say this on the vlog, but I don't smoke. I used to, but I don't smoke anymore. It's just crazy that it grows here. I don't think I've spoken for a while. It's a waterfall. Ah, that is a gorge as well. Crazy. And now that waterfall you just saw, we actually have to walk through to stay on this path. Check this out. I keep saying this is the best moment of the day, but this is the best moment of the day so far. Walking through this waterfall on the side of a cliff with that view behind me. Awesome.
Just like his dear old dad, give him my love and other things I never had. Scott would think I was a cool guy. Return the love I have, make me want to cry, be evil. But have some feelings too, changed my life with Oprah and Maya Angelou. But Scott rejected me. C'est la vie. Life is cruel, treat you unfairly. Even so, a God there must be. Mini-me, you complete me. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
That was unexpected. So I just fell over. I started feeling myself falling over with my camera in my hand. I've got like the microphone, my DSLR and my Gorilla Pod out, and I felt myself falling over. I just kind of tried to protect the camera at the cost of myself. But luckily, it's fine. Just a graze. Anyway, we're almost at the next hostel now. I think I can see it anyway. So that's where we're going. And that's where we are. See you there. Well, we've all arrived now, and we are next to Tina's guest house, which is where we were aiming for. But it turns out we're not staying there. We're actually going to stay somewhere about 2 kilometers that way. So we just have a final push to get to food and where we're staying tonight. Let's get cracking. We are here. Looks like we made it. What food do you recommend? Yeah. So this is the room we're in. They actually called it a dorm, but it's just 2 single beds in a room. Anyway, really tired now. So I don't think there's much of a plan for the rest of the day. We're just going to chill out here. It's 5 o'clock now. I'm going to chill out and then continue with more hiking tomorrow. But today's been such an awesome day. It's just been beautiful everywhere. Yeah, really lucky to be here. But anyway, for now, I'll leave you. So again, thank you for watching, and this is my life.